Hi, everybody. It's Mrs. Hodson. How are you? I wanted to get on here and show you News to You. I wonder if you've missed it. I know that some of you are really good at logging into News to You for me in the classroom, and I just wanted to show you and your parents how you can log in at home. So you're going to go to n2y.com, very short little website, and click sign in. And when you click sign in, two options become available. You can sign in as a teacher, which is what you're used to doing when you set things up for me, but you can also sign in as a student. So click on student, and you will have a username and a password to get you in. So I'm signing in like Jacob Small today, and I will share his password and all of your passwords and usernames with you. I will email those to you. But I wanted to give you the opportunity to see what this looks like. So now it's signed in. Up here in the corner it says Jacob Small, and you're going to click on News to You. When you open up the News to You front page, the first thing you see is the newspaper. And right now, there's only one. Sometimes there will be two. Right now, for the month of June, the News to You topic is the ocean cleanup. So you can click on that, and it will open up News to You like you're pretty used to seeing. Maybe. My computer's running a little slowly. There it is. So you still have some similar controls down here. It'll read it for you.
News to You, June 2020.
You can make it bigger. You can actually grab the screen and move it around so you can see the rest of the page. And then remember, if you want to turn the page, you just click the arrows. So I know you guys are used to this. You know what this looks like. You're just able to log in as you instead of logging in like you're Mrs. Hodson. Okay. If you go back to the News to You button, you can go home. And that brings you back to that same screen that we started on. So when you are in the newspaper, if you continue to go through the newspaper, you'll find the questions, you'll find the Sudoku, you'll find the joke. Also, I've popped all of the Joey's Locker games in here because I thought they would be kind of fun for you. I really like doing the Let's Go activities and the word searches. And then if you go down even further, it will give you the last 7 days of breaking news topics. So since it's summertime right now, I bet these breaking news topics, I only see that there are 8 of them. I bet if it was during the school year, we might have a little bit more to choose from. But you would be able to click on, remember we read about Malala earlier in the year. So you can click on the story about Malala and be able to read it and answer questions. Give it a little time to load here. It does not seem to want to load. Here we go. We got it to pop up. So you can see it's just like our breaking news where you can read the regular level. Here's your second page. You can have it read it for you if you click on this little text button. And then you can also find the questions at the end. All right, I'll go back home, back to that page we started on. So I'm going to share this video with everybody. I'm going to make sure I share your usernames and passwords, and then I'm able to see from my teacher part, I'm able to see who's working on it and who's trying to kind of fiddle around with it. And I'm thinking that if anybody can get into this summer and show me that you've been working on it, that I might owe you a lunch when school starts. So maybe some Subway or some pizza. Does that sound like a plan? All right, you guys give it a try and see what you think. Bye.